Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view or see what TikTok live events you have registered for. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page, and you want to select the profile button in the bottom right if you're unsure how to get to this page. And then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and select settings and privacy. Underneath content and display, select the live button and then select live events. And now you can select the register tab at the top. And if there are any events registered in here that you were signed up for, they should appear in this list. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.